Lenovo Yoga. The hinges are broken both sides. You can see hinges broken both sides. On the client, I've just put the tapes. Now we are going to repair this laptop and it will be intact. First step, kudismantle machine yenyewe. You can see there was a crook fundi who had just used a super glue. Yeah, so as we repair the hinges, we also do some normal basic services. You can see this laptop, the CPU fan. The CPU fan has a lot of dust and also has accumulated a lot of the moisture, and the machine is very dirty inside. We will also do the cleaning. Totally bad. Some of these things are broken. We will fix it. You can see even the screen has a lot of super glue. The hinges are broken. We'll just fix them, clean all this super glue, and the laptop will be back to its function. Perfect. Hinges repair and also casing replacement. Hinges now repaired. Perfect. We are now reassembling. The screen now is clean. You can see the super glue that was there, and now the heatsink and the fan have been serviced. It's now clean. The machine is clean and ready to be used. Now the laptop is perfect. The hinge, you can see the laptop is X360. Hinge is very perfect now. Screen is clean. Yeah. For Lenovo, Dell, Toshiba, repair. Thank you.